Hi folks, welcome to the Amazing Education channel. It's the information that you need to know. It's not about the video. Well, yes, because it's just to listen to. You're not going to see really amazing video. So today's topic, the yellow dust and why you might have a headache, runny nose. So what could it be that's making your nose run, giving you a headache? It could be your shampoo. If you're allergic to flowers, the chemicals that they put in, I should say chemicals and fragrances that are in modern shampoos can be very much like flowers or pollen, for example, like tree pollen, in the way they smell. They smell like tree flowers and other flowers sometimes. Apple, banana, coconut, who knows what. And so it could make your nose run and give you a headache. And if that's the case, say you've used the shampoo and then not long after that, what if you went to bed and so maybe your hair was slightly damp or the fragrance was in your hair and then you have it on your pillow. So that's a good time to wash your pillowcase. Even wash the pillow if you follow the directions, if you have a washable pillow, to get out that fragrance that's giving you a headache or giving you allergies. It could be itchy eyes, runny nose or watery eyes, sinus pain, and sort of cold-like symptoms when you might think, well, this is 2022, it's April. It could be a variation of COVID, but guess what? It also could be allergies. And it could be the yellow dust. Did you notice any yellow dust outside? Yesterday I did. Now my nose is running. I wiped yellow dust off of my car, and it was parked under a tree. And I wasn't thinking too much about it. Yes, I realized it was pollen. That's right. And I didn't really see the flowers, but it was probably pollen. I don't think it was dust from the gravel parking area, although it could have been. But to me, it seemed to have a little bit of a yellow color to it, which a lot of pollen is colored yellow. And so that is another reason I could have a headache and a runny nose, because I have allergies. And so what did I do? Well, I tried rinsing out my nose. Of course, blowing your nose helps, but strangely, once your nose starts running, it's gonna be a while before it calms down, right? Do I sound stuffed up? Well, can you hear that? So, with very clean water and clean hands, I rinse out the front of my nose, or I put in a tissue and try to get as much dust or whatever just out of my nose. I really try, but doesn't seem to help. Taking a shower, getting rid of that dust off of my clothing and out of my hair, and then maybe waiting a day or two, maybe that's going to work. I sure hope so. And but it might be the yellow pollen, or it could be my shampoo. Maybe I'm allergic because I know I'm allergic to shampoo that has a certain coconut fragrance. And did I use coconut shampoo even though I knew I was allergic to it? Yes, I used it. I love the fragrance, and that's why I used it, because I had also forgotten that I was allergic to it. Yeah, so So what can you do? Well, as I said, wash all the clothing, take a shower, rinse everything out, and maybe wait a day or two. And good luck. Hope your allergies go away. And believe it or not, so this is not medical advice. I'm not a doctor. But there are doctors, I don't know if they're called allergists, but you can go to an allergy doctor, somebody who specializes in that. They can test you and see what exactly you're allergic to, and then give you a treatment which can greatly reduce your reaction to those allergens. And years ago I tried that. It really worked. I would say I had about 10 years of relief from allergies. It was wonderful. Really great. So you might want to try that. Go to a real doctor. Don't just take medicine without consulting a real doctor. I wouldn't even go to a so-called medical professional. Make sure they have MD or some other medical degree. There are other degrees besides MDs, and you could be very happy. So good luck.